All right, welcome back. Today, week 6 of the options trading challenge, going from $1,500 to $130,000 ended, and you will not believe the results. It's incredible. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek, and this channel is all about making money in real estate and what can you do to build your financial wealth. So right now, I'm in a 52-week challenge, and we just ended week 6 with incredible results. The challenge is using signals from tradertips.io, someone I found on TikTok that has an 80% success ratio. Feel free to sign up. I do get 1 free month if you do sign up using my code, but you get half off on your first month and you get a 7-day free trial. So the code is Maciek50, and make sure to put that in when you sign up. By the way, if you're liking this challenge, please subscribe below and also like this because people are loving the challenge. I'm getting a lot of feedback, and overall people want to know what I'm doing. So let's keep building the momentum here. All right, so I made an Excel spreadsheet that breaks down everything that I am tracking here. And for the next 52 weeks, this is what we got. Right now, take a look at this. This was week number 1 and 2. Episode number 1 started off at 1445.97, ended at 1852. Pretty sizable gains of 28%, $406 of gains. Here was our current return from the beginning. That ended January 5th. Then episode number 2, which was the last one, weeks 3 and 4, ended at 1966, only $113 gains. But that's 6%, which is still incredible because some people are happy getting 6% per year. And here is the grand total return. That ended the 19th, and today is the 2nd of February, 2021. Here's what we got. Boom! This is what we're looking at, by the way. Incredible. 53.20.58 from 1445 at the beginning. Now this week was sizable, 170% last 2 weeks of gains. Total 267, and now today is the date right here. So far I am super happy. More than triple the amount that I originally started with. Come on, where can you get investments like that? But I did do a little bit more on this spreadsheet, right? This is the what it should be column, right? So in order for me to keep going and get my want met of $130,000 right here at the end of everything. This right here is what I set my goal to. This column right here is what I should be going for. So every single week, every single 2 weeks, I get to see if I am on track. And right here is where we are. Am I on track? Yes, I am. Because if it's red, then I am not on track. And last couple weeks ago, I was not on track. Now I am on track indeed, so that is excellent. In fact, I am $2,890 over what I should be. This is where I really should be to stay on track. It's actually an 18.9% return every single 2 weeks, which is pretty hard to do. And I'm sure I'm going to have a couple weeks that are not going to meet that, but that's okay. For now, everything is looking pretty good. So I also did one additional thing, and here's what it is what if instead of this $130,000 goal, what if I made a $1 million goal, right? What if? So that is actually a 28% return right here, right? And here's what I've done. I have double checked. And week 1, I was not on track, or episode 1. Episode 2, I was not on track, but here we are. All I had to have is $3,074.98, and I have $2,245 more dollars in this account than what I need to stay on track for $1 million. Now, this is not the goal. This is actually the goal. So right here, that's the goal. So right now, this is what I should have by the looks of it at 5,000, something. I am many weeks into it, right? This is where I pretty much am. I'm already in weeks 13 and 14. So I am super happy about that. Now let's go look at TD Ameritrade. Okay, here we are looking at TD Ameritrade. Here you go. This is our actual balance. This is what happened today. Really good day, but I did have a couple days that I went down. Let's talk about this real quickly. So as you can see, I was at 5209, and in fact there was a moment where it was at $5,800. And what happened? Well, unfortunately what happened is GameStop happened. I did not invest in the GameStop. That were not the signals that I got, but the whole market fluctuated because of people's uncertainty. So they told us to sell off some of the things that we had. I misunderstood some of the text messages. I sold off some things that I shouldn't have. Either way, it doesn't really matter. I'm looking at the long run and I'm already up so much. I'm happy. So it went down, and then just a bad day went down, and another bad day went down significantly. But then things bounced back. Yesterday it was at 45.95. Today's at 53.20 right here. So I'm super happy about that. I'm just showing the 1 month history, you know, and as you can tell, there was even a day here where I was at 12.95. Wow, I was negative. And then 1856, 1745, 2000, you know, here you go, 2000. So as you can tell, this basically fluctuates up and down because the options increase and decrease in value. And what I'm really learning about myself here is that I'm not the controller of all of this, and all I can do is control my emotions throughout the process. There have definitely been days where I was a little upset because I lost so much. But I am looking at the long run, the big picture, the Tesla that I will get out of this. So I just got to continue, keep on doing what I'm doing. So I do want to give a shout out to tradetips.io. So far, they have been very good at communicating back to me whenever I send a little message through the text messaging system asking a question for clarification purposes, and they get back to me literally within a minute or two. It's really nice. Also, I think that the service is really well priced for what it has given me so far. I hope you agree. And if you don't agree, well then get yourself the 5 weeks for half price. So I think they're $75. So you get it for half off, 37 bucks, and you get 1 week free, 7 days free, and then you get the 30 days for half off. So please subscribe. The link will be down below. Also use the code that was provided, Maciek50, and you're gonna get 50% off. You can't go wrong unless you just don't do anything with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I have enjoyed playing. So this is a great challenge. If you like it, please subscribe. You will get one update every 14 days. That's it on this challenge. I do create other videos on how to make money in real estate, how to invest money, and other things I'm doing to create wealth for myself. But just subscribe and keep with it. Thanks so much for watching.